What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to check when your warranty expires for your iPhone. Now this is a lot simpler than you think. All you have to do is just open up your settings app. Once you're in your settings app, you're going to scroll down just a little bit to get to that third block of settings. You're going to see an option for general. Should be at the top of the third block. Just do a little scrolling down. Then from here, the first option at the top is the About tab. You're just going to click on that. And I blocked out some personal information here, but right at the center of the screen when you open the About tab, it's going to be an option for your limited warranty. And that is going to be the warranty that you have on your iPhone. Mine expires January 24th, 2022. Now, it really depends on what you signed up for when you bought your iPhone, like how the warranty works. I'm not 100% sure how mine works, but you could always look that up by just going to an Apple store or your carrier's store, and you could see what your warranty covers. Usually you would know if your warranty covered anything else, but you could just look up what Apple warranties cover and find out exactly what you're covered for on your iPhone. Most of the stuff you're still going to have to pay for, but it's going to be a lot cheaper than if you didn't have the warranty. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you had any questions or were confused by the tutorial I have today, be sure to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da